BM25 and embedding score text, but links reveal authority. PageRank adds graph structure to search ranking. This is the workflow you'll know how to run when we're done, which re-ranks search hits using query signals and link authority. I'm Professor Pine, teaching search and IR with simple Python. Search engines face a simple truth. Text matches surface close hits, but links reveal who the web trusts. That trust can lift useful pages that don't share keywords with the query. PageRank gives us a compact authority number from the link graph that we can mix with our lexical score. Think of PageRank as a random surfer bouncing around links. Pages that collect many or more important incoming links end up with more steady-state probability. That's our authority signal for re-ranking. We will build a tiny toy pipeline. First, we set up a small corpus and baseline lexical scores. Then, we build a transition model that handles dangling pages. Next, we run power iteration to get steady ranks. Finally, we blend lexical and authority scores and format the top results for display. Quick note, this code is designed to teach the core idea clearly. Library versions and local setups can vary, so check the official docs if your setup behaves differently. To start, we need a seeded set of documents, a baseline lexical ranking to trust, and a link graph to test authority changes. This snippet seeds a toy search set with lexical scores and shows the baseline ranking. The list docs identifies 3 reusable results, letting later examples focus on new ranking logic without recreating the corpus each time. Lexical scores captures each document's TF IDF-like relevance and preserves the baseline signal that current retrieval pipelines already trust. Links records link structure while deliberately leaving doc2 dangling, foreshadowing the teleport fix PageRank uses to avoid syncs. Baseline ranking shows textual-only ordering, reminding us what authority signals must improve. Now that we have documents and a baseline, we need a transition matrix that models how a random surfer moves and how teleportation handles dangling pages. This example builds a damping-aware transition matrix so PageRank can handle dangling results. The scalar damping sets the random surfer's patience at 0.85, while n keeps teleport probability evenly spread across docs. The for loop walks each SRC document, swaps in docs whenever link's SRC is empty, and stores per target probability mass in transition. Base captures the teleport share. Jump captures how much authority flows through explicit links, and together they encode the random surfer model. Increasing damping would push more weight through jump, emphasizing authoritative hubs, but requiring more iterations to converge later. Row normalization confirms every row sums to 1, validating the transition matrix. With a valid transition model, we need to compute the steady-state distribution. Power iteration gives an easy, stable way to do that. This code runs power iteration on the transition matrix to estimate steady-state authority scores. Ranks starts uniform, so every document begins with equal probability mass before link evidence redistributes it. Each loop builds updated by multiplying the previous distribution against transition, effectively following every possible click trail at once. Delta tracks the largest change between iterations, and once that difference falls below 1 times 10 to the negative 6th, the break stops unnecessary work. Raising the iteration cap or tightening the threshold would demand more compute, but can squeeze out marginal precision on larger graphs. Steady ranks reports the converged probabilities, setting up authority-aware re-ranking. We now have 2 signals. The next step is to combine them so our search list reflects both textual relevance and link authority. This snippet blends lexical relevance with PageRank authority to reshuffle the result order. Authority weight defines how much trust we place in link signals versus textual evidence for this corpus. The blended comprehension multiplies lexical scores by the content weight, adds rank scaled by authority weight, and rounds to 2 decimals for readability. Re-ranked sorts docs by those blended scores, so higher authority pages can leapfrog despite weaker lexical text. Increasing authority weight pushes the re-ranking closer to pure PageRank, while decreasing it keeps the order near the original lexical baseline. Authority re-rank reveals Doc 2 rising to the top once link authority counts. Finally, we format the output for a search UI so the effects are clear and shareable for evaluation. This example packages the re-ranked results into a display-friendly structure for the final search view. The results list stores tuples containing the doc ID plus formatted lexical, PageRank, and blended scores for later reporting. Formatting with sign 2F keeps every metric readable while ensuring we preserve the precise numeric ordering already computed. Final display slices the top 2 entries, so the interface can highlight improved authority before rendering more detailed metadata. Expanding the slice or swapping tuple order would let downstream evaluation compare click metrics against multiple presentation options. Final results shows the top-ranked docs and their blended authority scores ready for display. In a real project, you would map this toy flow to your actual corpus and ranking stack. Replace the seeded lexical scores with your retrieval scores. Compute PageRank across your full link graph, and store the authority vector in your index for fast lookup. PageRank turns a link graph into an authority signal you can blend with lexical relevance. Use it when links really reflect endorsement and when authority helps recover useful but poorly worded pages. One caveat: it's sensitive to graph quality and damping choices, so validate changes on live clicks or labeled data. Next step: try tuning authority weight to see how presentation changes, or scale the PageRank step to a larger link graph and measure latency and ranking drift. If short practical IR helps, subscribe and watch the IR videos.